So, out with the dogs. It's 3 o'clock. I filmed at 2 hours ago. It was 2 hours ago. And I did say to you, they had 9 hours to do something else. I'm watching where I'm going because I don't want to fall on my backside. So, pleasant walk, nearly back home. Birds are singing. It's not raining. And what does Harry decide to do? Some of you will remember the mole story from last weekend. And we disposed of the mole in a bush. In that bush. That's Harry. Harry's decided that he quite likes that mole. And bearing in mind I'm going out in half an hour, he's actually rolling in it. Oh, he's having a good old roll. Oh yeah, nice and stinky. You all right in there, Harold? You covered? Oh, come here. Come here. You want to see him? Come on, Harry. Harry, come on. You want to see him? Oh no. He's picking up the mole. Hang on a second. Drop it. Harry, come. Harry, come. Harry, what's this? Sit. You wait until you see this, Harry. Now he's gone back for it again. Harry, drop it. Drop it. This is just how I love spending my day. Harry, come. Harry, drop it. Good boy. Leave it. Good boy. No. Magic. Sorry, got cut off there. So, there he goes. There he goes. Absolutely covered. Harry, leave it. Absolutely covered. Leave it. Good boy. See, use the good boy technique. Leave it. And the boot technique. I'm just going to show you how Harry looks. Can you see him? You see how dirty he is? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's you. You're so lucky this isn't smelly vision. I'm still smiling. So now I have to go back and literally wash Harry. And it's 3 o'clock. I have the poo bag. Harry's not happy I have the poo bag. Harry wants the mole. Harry's not getting the mole. Harry, sit. The mole. The mole is no more. Oh, that stinks. Oh my goodness me. Anyway. He's horrible. He's horrible. He's horrible. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the state of him. Look. I feel sick now. Oh, anyway. 7 hours to go. I'm going to go and dispose of this mole. I hope you're having as fun a day as I am. Fantastic. Speak to you later.